Hello, this is Alfred Lyon, and today I'm going to be talking about ANCA CNC machine tools. I can describe ANCA using 5 words: service, quality, technology, innovation, and humanity. I can't tell you if ANCA is the market leader in machine tool building for CNC grinders, but I can tell you that they're not entry level. When you buy an ANCA CNC machine, you realize as soon as it's on the floor that this is a high quality machine, from its software to its hardware to the build quality. And then once you get your first part off of there, you realize this is an amazing machine. And it doesn't stop there. As you use it, you just learn that these things are high quality machines. ANCA, it treats its customers so great. When we had one machine, they treated us as if we had 100. Now we have 10 plus, and they treat us like we're their only customer. And I'm not alone in this sentiment. I talk to a lot of people that do have ANCAs, and they all feel the same way, that ANCA really treats them great. And for a global company to be able to treat each of their customers I guess what I could singularly is just amazing. So yeah, they treat their customers great. When you buy an ANCA, you get what you pay for. And I don't say that in a sarcastic way. You know, you look, you do your research, you talk to your salespeople, and you end up and you buy an ANCA, and then you realize after you've been using it for a while that you can open doors that you didn't even know that you were closed. You definitely get what you pay for and more when you buy an ANCA. Anytime somebody asks me, hey, should I buy an ANCA? I say yes. And the reason I say yes is everything that I've said. Plus, it's just, I think that I can stand behind my recommendation. I've never had anybody who I've recommended ANCA to come back to me and say, man, I really had a hard time with that machine. If anything, I get people saying, oh, thank you for recommending ANCA. That has really helped me out in my business. ANCA seems to treat its people wonderfully. And I say this because not only do I see it on social media, they seem to do a lot of encouragement to their people. They give them a lot of accolades, and they have a lot of community things that they do together, like playing football and I guess soccer. But also because when I went there to Australia to visit the facility, you could tell all the people were happy and engaged, and it seemed like they wanted to be there, not just because they were collecting a paycheck, but also because they enjoyed what they were doing. It was challenging, and I just feel like they really treat their people great. I would say that ANCA and everybody who builds machine tools, if they have people that are service technicians that come to their customers, please realize these technicians are your truest representatives. They offer that part of the ANCA service that if it's not done right, if it's not done in a timely manner, if they can't communicate with the customer well, then that is a drawback to your company. So far, everybody that's come into our building from ANCA to work on our machines has been amazing. And they need to be, honestly, I feel like this part of the service department that comes to their customers and fixes the machines need to be the highest paid people of the whole industry. Because without them, it doesn't matter how great your machine is. If you don't have good quality people working on your machines, it can be a real failure. It hasn't been that way with ANCA. ANCA has been amazing. I want to stress that. But I do want these people to be paid well. I want them to be encouraged and built up to be to just love what they do. So in conclusion, you can tell that I really enjoy working with ANCA, working on ANCAs. I enjoy training people to work on ANCAs. They're very easy to work with, and I can get young people to learn them very quickly because the technology is something that is exciting to the younger generation. So it's really easy for them to just walk into it. Oh, this is a touch screen, and I can use some numbers and make something, and you can see it on the screen before it's made. And I think that really sits well with this younger generation, and it works for us older guys too. We like it, and I think that the interface that ANCA has, as far as some guy on the floor working with a machine, is just amazing, and it only seems to get better with every improvement. So thank you for listening to me, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.